Now, we've done some crazy things on the channel before, but this might take the cake. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlogs. I'm gonna try to explain this the best that I can. We're testing the top speed of my Nissan GTR on the lake bed today, which I said I would never, ever do it again. Last time for our 458, 170 miles an hour, it was so sketchy, it terrified me. And so today we're gonna do it, but a little bit crazier with a bit of a twist, you might say. So Dave Sparks of the Diesel Brothers is flying his helicopter down and we're racing it on the dry lake bed. Mom, I love you, and please wish me luck in the comments below. And we go, bye-bye. Wait, that's my car. Where are you guys going? This acceleration is for the kids in the minivan. Go. This is starting to sink in as to how cool this is gonna be. Like, what? We're racing the Nissan GTR against that. I'm not entirely sure if I mentioned, my friend Jason is flying the Epic down to the lake bed as well. What's up, dude? Okay, so before we get in trouble, we should shut her down. So we're racing the GTR and the helicopter, and then you're gonna teach me how to fly the Epic.
Yes, sir. Not only fly it, you're gonna land it yourself.
So that airplane is $2 million, $2 million, right?
Yeah, about, yeah.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
No, but you'll get it.
I love that. I love the confidence.
It's gonna be off-field on a dirt strip as well. Like.
I'm sure most of you guys know Dave, but dude, thank you so much for inviting me down here. You're crazy though.
You're crazy.
You know that.
You're crazy. Everybody knows. Try a $2 million plane on a dirt runway.
Yeah, but I guess I have everything to lose. But thank you so much for having me.
Collateral.
I guess that's why I'm maybe. That's pretty fair though. I do this straight up trade.
Great deal.
So you have a YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link in the description below.
Yes, sir.
And what's going on with the channel?
So here's the deal. Basically, every 250,000 subscribers we hit, we celebrate. And we celebrate by bringing somebody here to my hangar and letting them pick any vehicle they want.
And when he says anything except for the Aventador.
Including the Lambo.
No. Like I said in the intro, this is the coolest thing we have ever done. We're taking the helicopter and the jet and we're racing the Nissan GTR. So I'm gonna hop in the jet for now. I'm actually gonna land it on the lake bed. What is going on? This is so sick. What? This is the perfect storm. What? You guys made it.
We made it.
Welcome.
Your car may or may not be a little bit dirty.
Yes, sorry about the car's a little dirty. That's all right. That's okay. I know a good detailer. This is actually happening. We are racing the Nissan GTR against Dave and his helicopter. So it's a mile out. We got to turn around, mile back, winner, chicken dinner, I guess. I'm not sure if there's a chicken dinner involved, but I don't know. The helicopter, I don't know that much about it. It can do about 130 miles an hour, maybe. I'm obviously looking for answers because I don't know anything about it. I really have no idea what to expect. I'm kind of sort of nervous. I think we can jump the helicopter off the line. We can turn faster. We can brake faster. So we should win, right? But I don't know.
The interesting thing is that there's not a clear winner. Like,
no.
It's gonna be really interesting.
I don't know if this has ever been done before. It probably has. This is theoretically the first time a GTR has raced a helicopter on a dry lake bed in Utah. I'm pretty sure of that. Yeah? Yeah. Oh my gosh! No matter what happens, he has won the day. It doesn't matter. We lost. Are you kidding me? That's so sick. You need a helicopter. It's happening.
For sure.
2021 airplane, 2022. We're helicopter.
Look at that.
He's just flexing on us. Man. What? So crazy. The whole car is going up this way. Look at the code. Oh my gosh, it's out of here. Get it, bro. Look at it. What's he doing? You better get out of the way. Okay, there goes the truck. Oh, go. Oh, we're going. Come on, GTR. Let's go. Let's go. Where is that truck? There he is. Oh, he's right on us. Bro, you got this. That's 130 miles an hour. That is 140. Foot to the floor. 150. That chopper is eating my dust. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's 160 miles an hour. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, that's so sick. Where's that chopper?
See if I think he's up high.
Dude, I just want to drift this car, honestly.
Oh my gosh.
Where is he? I don't know where he is. Let's go GTR. Come on, baby. That is 120 miles an hour. Where is he? Oh, there he is. No way. Look at him. Oh my gosh.
So close.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Yes. Yes. Go. Go.
got
Go.
it.
Go. Go. That is 170 miles an hour. And across the brakes. Oh, jeez. Oh, gravel, 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 gravel. Brakes, brakes,
Oh, boy.
brakes,
Oh, boy.
brakes, brakes. Oh. We're good. We're good.
You got it.
That was insane. He flew right above us.
There we go. He's gone.
Let's
He's
go.
gone.
That is 100 miles an hour. Oh, jeez. Jason's right there.
Oh,
He
yeah,
isn't like
Jason.
alive and death right now.
Oh my
Crazy
gosh.
guy. That's 140 miles an hour. That's 160 miles an hour. I'm gonna hit the brakes hard. Look at the dust. Oh no.
gosh,
Oh
oh
jeez.
gosh,
Oh
oh
jeez.
gosh.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Oh no.
No. GTR, go. 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 Give me. Oh no. 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 No.
Wow.
Rock, rock. I really messed that turn up. I like lost all my speed.
It's crazy how big of a difference that turn makes.
I know the turn
race is
everything.
the race is
It's
won in that
decided.
turn.
Yeah.
We're going. This is happening. Best
It's
2 out of 3.
Go. Jeez.
Oh my gosh.
The truck's beating us. Let's go GTR. Okay, I cannot mess this up. That's 100 miles an hour.
You got the lead.
That's 120. Come on, GTR. We are shaking and baking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's 140 with one hand. We just made
There it is, and go, 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 go. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh, we got him. Right? We got him. Come on, GTR. Go. Go. Oh, no, 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 no.
No, just behind him.
Again.
Oh my gosh.
Brakes, brakes, boulders, 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 boulders. Not good for the wrap. It's because I am terrible, that's why. That was so cool. I gotta give him props though. He got the W, 2 out of 3. I won the first one. He hammered it home on the second too. That was so close though.
That was a good race.
Oh, no.
That was a good
so
race.
sick. My heart was like,
You were going so fast.
I did 1:73.
Did you really?
Yeah. And the whole car,
Bro, you were going so fast. When you took off, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm done.
right. Now I noticed you started banking.
I started
left.
banking way sooner, yeah.
Yeah.
When I bank left, that's my power turn.
Right,
so I
right.
can keep power in.
Dude, that was epic. That was so cool. My heart's still through the roof. We're good. Now we're getting ready to go. I'm gonna ride the helicopter. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. We're like, what is going on? What? Whoa. Wow.
feel?
Wow. That was insane.
I have never done anything that cool in my life.
Crazy. I just heard your interview right there. Helicopters beat cars all day long, eh? I think we're setting up for round 2. I got a faster car with 1,000 horsepower.
I don't know, man. Maybe I got a faster helicopter.
Oh, I didn't expect that. All right, so we're gonna be doing round 2 soon. I think we need a proper runway though, because this dirt stuff,
we're going to an airport.
I can't brake on this stuff. That's what's killing me. We need an airport.
Hey,
we need a long airport.
I don't know if you saw, but I broke a world record jumping my monster truck over a flying airplane at the Wendover Airport, so I know those people pretty well. I got that runway locked down.
All right.
It's a done deal.
Coming soon, Bugatti versus B205. Round 2, baby. Let's hit it. Well, just like that, boys. Stefan, Luke, thank you so much.
We made it out alive.
We survived.
It's a successful day when you're alive.
We took the L, but we had a good time, right? Kind of a representation of our lives. I'll see you guys back in the warehouse. Yes. Cool, see ya. Stefan and Luke are gonna drive the GTR back to the shop for me. We're gonna ride in style in the Epic. This is how you do it, boys. This is the life. This is probably the coolest entrance to a private jet ever. We're just out here chasing views on views, boys. Check this out. Okay, I don't want to trip after that epic moment. Don't want to trip. Epic moment in the Epic. Go GTR, go on, bro. Do not lose another race. What is he doing? Is that Luke? Yo, this is one of the coolest shots ever. Go GTR, go. Wow. Luckily we got the jet engine. Here we go. Bye-bye. And 15 minutes later, we're back. I feel so bad for Stefan and Luke. Guys, go follow on Instagram. I'm gonna link them below. They still have like a 2.5 hour drive and we're already back. I like flying. Well guys, I've officially decided we need an airplane hangar. How cool is this? Jason's gonna find me a hangar, right?
I'm gonna work on it.
He's gonna find me an airplane and a hangar coming to the channel very, very soon. Dude, thank you
training.
so much.
No problem.
Yes, yeah, Jason is actually gonna be my flight instructor. So coming to the channel very, very soon, January 4th. Go! Yes! What a crazy day. That was just absolutely so much fun. The Nissan GTR is just caked in dirt. We did very, very well. I need to wash this car. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow, but just check out the back end. Wow. Now I think on that third and final pass, we hit 175 miles an hour in the Nissan GTR on dirt. Remember, there's a big difference between pavement and dirt. We did $175 in the Nissan GTR. The braking was absolutely terrifying because we were just kind of sort of going like this. Brakes locked up, we were almost skidding and then drifting around that corner. I did really good on the first pass. The second and third pass, not maybe quite my best, but Dave obviously did smoke us in the helicopter. But round 2 is coming sooner than you think because, well, she has 1,000 horsepower, and I think we got better chances. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.